Hello, this is Tiffany Hernandez for Team 4, the WoolfTech mobile app. This is our video for Sprint 5. Other team members are Mason Cole, Brian Coley, and Garrett Pierce. As you can see on our Tega board, Sprint 5 has an end date of Tuesday the 25th, which means we are well underway to finish our tasks by that date. These are the artifacts produced thus far for Sprint 5. The first two artifacts we'll be looking at is back-end and front-end work on the stats summary, which you can see here as the first and third listing. In the artifact table, they're listed as get stat summary and show stat summary. Let's go over to our API setup. Now, I'm going to paste in the authorization token for an app user who has batting statistics logged here. The expected behavior is that their statistics will be returned. And you can see here in the response body that those statistics are returned. And if we go over to our app, we can actually see these statistics integrated into the front end on the homepage of our app here. The next artifact we'll be looking at is back-end support for user registration, titled in the artifact review as get, post, and put user. So first we'll create a new user by using post here, and we should get back an authorization token if successful. I've already put in some user data here, and we'll go ahead and send it. So you can see here in the response body that we did get an authorization token. So we'll go ahead and take that authorization token and use it to get back that same user data. Go ahead and scroll here and put in our token for the user. And you can see here in the response body that the user data was returned. So now that we have our user data in full, we'll go ahead and update the user information by using put. I went ahead and put in the authorization token here, and we'll go ahead and just change the email that I initially had. And this will be an attribute that will go ahead and demonstrate an edit. Go ahead and try it out, and you can see here that in the response body, the email has been changed. So from here, what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and demonstrate a user's ability to upload a photo. You can see here that this was listed as put profile image. So we'll go ahead and go back and scroll down to the user profile picture. So we'll go ahead and put the authorization token in for our user and choose a profile picture to upload. Go here and click there. And we'll go ahead and try it out here. And you can see that we're returning a success in the response body for our upload. So the next couple of artifact reviews we'll be looking at are two together. The first one is async session handler, and the second one is navigation adjustments. We'll go ahead and log into a user account. When we do, we'll see that in the console, the session information is being saved. And when we log out, we'll be able to see that that session has ended. The navigation component that was developed here is the ability to move from the login page to the home page, and then we're able to log out. We'll go ahead and log in here now. So here we'll get a bunch of data, but at the end you can see that the saving session here. And then we'll go ahead and go to our logout screen. And you can see that user ended session returning to login user, which is the login page here. So from here, we'll go ahead and take a look at some login error handling. So first we'll attempt to log in without the server running. And what this should do here is return an unable to connect to the server error message. Okay, we've got our message here. So second, what we'll try to do is we'll actually try logging in without any credentials in here. And you can already see the user error messages starting to pop up here where it says that the username and password is a required field. So the last thing we'll go ahead and take a look at is responsive views here. What we are trying to achieve is a consistent user experience so that anyone using the app on any type of phone will be able to see the same data. There shouldn't be any screen overflow where the views are getting cut off. So here I have two very different size emulators, and we're going to go ahead and log in to show that the app should be accessible to both users. So you can see here that with the smaller phone, we are still able to see the data that we are in the larger phone. So this concludes the video for the majority of Sprint 5. The artifacts presented here show that we are working hard and on our way to having another successful sprint completed. Thank you for watching.